Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network. On the application of NFL, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.